Looking for a reliable dumpster rental in Helotes, Texas? Look no further than Be Done Rentals. Be Done Rentals stands out by providing top-notch dumpster rental solutions tailored to your waste management needs. Whether you're embarking on a home renovation project, clearing out debris from a construction site, or simply decluttering your property, we have a comprehensive range of dumpster sizes to cater to your needs. With our prompt delivery and pickup services and a wide range of dumpster sizes, we ensure that your waste disposal process is efficient, convenient, and hassle-free. At Be Done Rentals, we pride ourselves on delivering top-notch service with a smile and maintaining our commitment to environmental responsibility. Our easy-to-use online platform makes booking your dumpster easy, and our speedy delivery ensures you can start your project immediately. Ready to make your next project easy? Choose Be Done Rentals, and let us handle your waste management needs. Visit our website at www.bedumpsters.com Dumpster Rental Helotes TX or call 210-834-1716 to learn more. Don't let waste management stress you out. Trust Be Done Rentals for all your dumpster rental needs in Helotes, Texas.